Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is WalmartStock, and today, as we can see, the stock suffered some losses and it's heading south. The 115 level is the support, and if it holds, then we expect the stock to turn around. But if it doesn't hold, then the next level is the 105 level. Looking at the week ahead, we go to the weekly time frame, and as you can see, the stock is heading south. Now, it is important to know that it's going to run to support right here, and that if that thing holds, then we expect it to go up. If it doesn't, then the stock is going to struggle to go up, and then it will come and retest this level. If I am going to buy, I'm going to wait and see if this support will hold. If it doesn't hold, then I'm going to wait for the next level, which is going to be around this side of town. And if this side of town holds, and then we're going to hold it up and then begin to run again. I hope this helped, and I'll see you next week.